on the scene here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort to provide a construction update of the Gran Destino Tower and a new restaurant being built upon Lago Dorado Lake called Villa del Lago. The entrance of the Gran Destino Tower will become the new guest services check-in area for the entire Disney Coronado Springs Resort. Let's start first by taking a look at this rendering of the Villa del Lago restaurant as we pan from El Centro to the new footbridge to the new restaurant as it stands now over the lake. Here's a picturesque view of the footbridge that brings you on over to Villa del Lago restaurant. The bridge continues on over to the other side of the lake that can be used as a shortcut to the dig site, which is the pool area. Here's a few different views as we walk around the lake. Villa del Lago is expected to serve cold drinks and light fare. It should seat about 60 guests and they'll have a specialty area for groups that can seat as many as 90 people. While we're here, even though there's not any changes or updates to the area, this is the dig site, the pool area for the resort. Right now, this was before the pool was open, but normally the pyramid has water running down those center staircase-like areas that you're seeing there. Here's a rendering of the Gran Destino Tower, and as we work our way around, I tried to match this angle of the image. Here's what it looks like today. The Gran Destino Tower comprises of 545 guest rooms. Of those 545 rooms, 50 are suites. As you can see, the exterior of the building looks like it's nearly complete. The building will open in July of this year. The top floor of the tower will be home to a new restaurant called Todeo. They'll serve tapas, steaks, and seafood. Here from the back entrance of the resort, we can see clear through the multi-story lobby to the front entrance. On the right-hand side, you can see the covered walkway that will lead you from the new tower to the existing El Centro area. Well, that's it for our tour of the construction at Disney's Coronado Springs. I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Adam on the Scene, signing off.